seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building can't miss.
Hey guys, welcome back for the second video in this new house organization series. I'm going to be cleaning out and organizing my fridge and freezer today. So whether you're cleaning and organizing with me today or sitting back and relaxing with a cup of coffee, I'm glad you're here today. If you're new, my name is Kaylon and I live in South Carolina. I'm a married stay-at-home working mom to 2 little boys and a little girl. I post motivational cleaning and organization, shopping hauls, and all things mommy as often as I can. If you like that type of content, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our community. We started by taking everything out and wiping the fridge down really good. And of course, my main man, Gray, had to be right there to help.
I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
So I got these containers from Amazon for about $25, and I'll be sure to link them down below. I love that all the clear bins have handles so you can just easily pull them out. I also got these bigger containers for the freezer from the Family Dollar, along with these airtight containers. I'll be putting fruits and veggies in them. Now I'm just going to be washing all of the new containers. This is all the food that I'll be organizing for the fridge. We used to have a lot more groceries, but we started getting HelloFresh 4 times a week, so that's just less food that I have to get from the grocery store every week.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
I'm just going to be putting everything away now. I made a huge mistake with this egg container. I really wanted it because it's so cute and fits them perfectly and just looks so neat. But when I got it, I realized that I have 2 to 3 dozen eggs at a time because I have all these kids. So I will be finding a larger container soon with the lid for my eggs in the future. So don't be like me, just get the larger container from the get-go.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
And now it's freezer time. I'm basically going to be doing the same thing as the fridge. Just take everything out, wipe it down, and organize the food.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
I started this new house organization series because we moved and I just wanted to take the time to get every section in our life and house organized. It says every mom ever. But everybody knows that life comes along with so many obstacles, and sometimes it's just not feasible to have everything clean and organized all the time. I figured if I could at least get one spot done each week and keep it maintained for the most part, I may be able to get this thing done. So, I just wanted to give you guys a little encouragement along my journey so that it may help you guys start if you haven't already. And if you already have your home organized, kudos to you, girl, because this is hard.
Why you wanna let me go, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
Now I'm just going through and giving the outside a really good wipe down.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
How is that even possible?